In this video, I'll show you how to add music to your Facebook profile. If you want everyone who visits your profile to hear a song, I'll walk you through the steps. But first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me out. Thanks! If you're using an iPhone, open the Facebook app, but you can also do this on a computer by visiting facebook.com. Next, head to your profile and open the settings. On your phone, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, and then go to the settings menu in the top right corner. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find the audience and visibility section. Tap on profile details. From there, scroll down further until you reach the music section. When you find the music section, tap add music. At the top right, you'll see a plus sign. Tap that to add a song. Let's say you want to add a song like "It's Beginning to Look a Lot Like Christmas." Once you find the song, tap on it. It will get grayed out, which means it's added to your music section, but it won't appear on your profile just yet. To get the song to show on your profile, tap the three dots next to the song and choose Pin to Profile. This action will make the song visible on your profile. Now, return to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right, then tap your name at the top left to view your profile. You may need to refresh the page or close and reopen the app. Once refreshed, you'll see the song right under your bio. Anyone who visits your profile can now tap on the song and listen to it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please like the video and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.